Hello friends, welcome back to our channel IT India. This video is related to AWS Solution Architect Certification Preparation and this is going to be part 18th, and I would like to apologize as this part should have been uploaded earlier before 19th part and 20th part, but no worries, I will arrange it in proper order in the playlist. So let's start with our first question now. A company is planning to build a new web application on AWS. The company expects predictable traffic most of the year and very high traffic on occasions. The web application need to be highly available and fault tolerant with a minimal latency. What should a solution architect recommend to meet these requirements? And here are the options. You can try to guess the answer. And correct answer here will be option B. Use Amazon EC2 instances in an auto scaling group with an application load balancer across multiple availability zones. Because auto scaling has to be included in the answer due to more traffic expected occasionally. You can have a look on this keyword, high traffic on occasions. So due to this, auto scaling has to be included, and due to this reason option B is correct here. And now question number 172. A company is designing a web application using AWS that processes insurance quotes. User will request quotes from the applications. Quotes must be separated by quote type, must be responded to within 24 hours and must not be lost. The solution should be simple to set up and maintain. Which solution will meet this requirement? And here are the options. You can take your time to guess the correct answer, and I hope you will take longer time to read all the options. So let me reveal the correct answer, and the correct answer here will be option C. Create a single Amazon simple notification service, that is Amazon SNS topic, and subscribe to the Amazon SQS queue to SNS topic. Configure SNS message filtering to publish messages to proper SQS queue based on the queue type. Configure each backend server to work its own SQS queue. So this one is correct here because Kinesis is for streaming data. So A and D are out. So both these options will not be correct here because of Kinesis is for streaming data. C is the correct answer as you subscribe and not register to SNS. So here register is mentioned, but register will not work in case of Amazon SNS because you need to subscribe, and due to this reason this is the correct option. And now question number 173. A solution architect has configured the following IAM policy. Which action will be allowed by the policy? And here are the options. And you can take your time to guess the correct answer, and I hope you will be able to guess the same. So let me reveal the correct answer, and the correct answer here will be option C. An AWS function can be deleted from 100.220.0.0/20 network, and this is why. So if you go to the policy, effect is allow action on Lambda. So any action can be done on Lambda, and after that resources all. So all resources are allowed. Effect is deny on action delete function, and from this particular subnet. So from this particular subnet there is explicit deny, so it can't be possible, and also the delete function is not allowed from everywhere. So option C is correct here. And now question number 174. A solution architect is using Amazon S3 to design the storage architecture of a new digital media application. The media file must be resilient to the loss of an availability zone. Some files are accessed frequently while other files are rarely accessed in an unpredictable pattern. The solution must minimize the cost of storing and retrieving the media files. Which storage option meets this requirement? And here are the options. And I hope it will be too easy for you. So I'm just revealing the correct answer, and correct answer here will be option B. S3 intelligent tiering. So this one is correct here, and I hope you all know the reason for this already, but let me share the reason as well with you. So S3 intelligent tiering is perfect use case when you don't know the frequency of access or there are irregular pattern of usage. So definitely there are irregular pattern, and because some files are accessed frequently while others are rarely accessed. So there is unpredictable pattern. So due to this reason, S3 intelligent tiering will be the answer. And now question number 175. A company is running a 3-tier web application to process credit card payments. The front-end user interface consists of static web pages. The application tier can have long-running processes. The database tier uses MySQL. The application is currently running on a single general-purpose large Amazon EC2 instance. A solution architect need to decouple the service to make the web application highly available. Which solution would provide the highest availability? And here are the options. And correct answer here will be, you can take the time to guess the answer. So let me reveal the correct answer, and the correct answer here will be option D. Move static content to Amazon S3, move the application to Amazon ECS, that is Elastic Container Service, with auto scaling enabled, move the database to Amazon RDS to deploy multi-AZ. And this one is correct here because static content ultimately indicates about S3, which is already mentioned here, and ECS helps in auto scaling, and RDS multi-AZ helps in high availability. So all the requirement of the questions will be satisfied, because here what was the requirement? Static web pages were there, highly available was the requirement. So option D is correct here. And now question number 176. A media company stores video content in Amazon EBS, that is Elastic Block Store Volume. A certain video file has become popular and a large number of users across the world are accessing this content. This has resulted in cost increase. Which action will decrease cost without compromising the user accessibility? And here are the options. And correct answer here will be, you can take your time to guess the answer, and there should be a simple logic behind this question. And let me reveal the correct answer for you. And correct answer here will be option B. Store the video in an Amazon S3 bucket and create an Amazon CloudFront distribution. So why this is correct answer? Because you all must be aware that EBS is costlier than S3. And you can also use Amazon S3 with CloudFront distribution. So S3 will help us in reducing the cost, which was high in case of EBS. And also when there are users across the world, always think about Amazon CloudFront because it helps us in reducing the latency and enhance the experience for all the users around the world. So option B is correct here. And now question number 177. A solution architect is designing the cloud architecture for a new application being deployed to AWS. The application allows users to interactively download and upload files. Files older than 2 years will be accessed less frequently. The solution architect need to ensure that the application can scale to any number of files while maintaining the high availability and durability. Which scalable solution should the solution architect recommend? Choose two. So here you have to choose two options, and here are the options. And correct answer here will be, you can take time to guess the correct answer. So let me reveal the correct answer now, and correct answer here will be option A and option B. Store the files on Amazon S3 with a life cycle policy that moves object older than 2 years to S3 Glacier, and store the files on Amazon S3 with a life cycle policy that moves object older than 2 years to S3 standard infrequent access. So both these options are correct because EFS does not have option of 2 year and maximum duration is 90 days for EFS. So duration will be just 90 days for EFS. So due to this reason, option A and option B are correct here. And now question number 178. A company has recently updated its internal security standard. The company must now ensure all Amazon S3 bucket and Amazon Elastic Block Store, that is Amazon EBS volumes, are encrypted with keys created and periodically rotated by internal security specialists. The company is looking for a native software-based AWS service to accomplish this goal. What should a solution architect recommend as a solution? And here are the options. And correct answer here will be option B. Use AWS Key Management Service, that is AWS KMS, with customer master keys, that is CMKs, to store master key material and apply a routine to recreate a new key periodically and replace it in AWS KMS. So option B is correct here because encryption keys are stored in KMS, not in Secret Manager. And Secret Manager stores database credentials, API keys and auth tokens. So option B is correct here. And now question number 179. A company's website is hosted using on-premises server in the United States. The company is launching its product in Europe and it wants to optimize site loading times for new European users. The site's backend must remain in the United States. The product is being launched in a few days and an immediate solution is needed. What should the solution architect recommend? And now here are the options. You can take your time to guess the correct answer. And correct answer here will be use Amazon CloudFront with a custom origin pointing to the on-premises server. Because Amazon CloudFront works with any origin server that hold the origin definitive version of your content, both static and dynamic. And also there is no additional charge to use a custom origin. So option C is correct here. And now question number 180. A development team need to host a website that will be accessed by other teams. The website content consists of HTML, CSS, client-side JS and images. Which method is the most cost effective for hosting the website? And here are the options. Take your time to guess the correct answer. And correct answer here will be option B. Create an Amazon S3 bucket and host the website there. Because here we can see from the question itself that content is a static one. And for static content, Amazon S3 is most cost effective or we can say cheapest solution. So option B is the correct answer here. And this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great learning and please do subscribe this channel IT India.